A day in the life. Hello, my name is Hope Sukapuka. Uh, Today I am going to talk about my daily routine, my likes and preferences, and and some activities that I do every day. Um, I wake up early in the morning. Uh, I always take a shower and get ready for day. Then I have breakfast. I usually eat something simple, and after that I go to work. I work during the day, and I always have lunch at midday. Sometimes I eat alone, and sometimes I eat with other people. I usually finish my work at 5 p.m. After work, I go home and relax. I often play video games because I like them a lot. I also enjoy playing music. I can play the guitar and saxophone, and I sometimes practice in the evening. Uh, in my free time, I like listening to music and watching movies or anime. I really like anime because it is interesting and entertaining. Uh, at night, I eat something before going to bed. I usually watch a movie or anime, and then I go to sleep. I also always try to have a good routine, but sometimes I do different activities on Weekends. I like music, video games, and movies, mm, but I don't like coffee. Well, now I would like to ask my classmate some questions. Uh, One of first, uh, what do you do? What do you do in your free time? Two, do you like video games or music? Three, uh, what kind of movies do you like? Four, does your family watch anime? Number five, what does your best friend do every day. Thank you.